In this video, I am going to be sharing how I bought an expensive gold coin for less than a gold eagle. How you doing, everybody? Welcome to Empire Precious Metals. If you're new to the channel, I am not a financial advisor. I'm a guy talking about precious metals, so make sure you blast that subscribe button, get the bell notification clicked. That way you get updated with any new content. Today I'm going to be discussing and unboxing this expensive collectible gold coin, which I got for less than you would pay for a gold eagle. I'm going to share with you how I ended up doing this as well. First of all, those of you that are familiar with the channel, you know that I'm a big fan of gold. I continue to stack it as much as I possibly can, which is a good thing because right now we all see that the inflation rate is sitting at a 30-year high at 6.2%. Absolutely absurd. And gold is going to continue to just keep going up in price just because of our dollar continuing to weaken. Now, I am always on the lookout for good deals when it comes to gold. I buy it to stack for my own purposes, for my own wealth preservation, but I also do it to flip. And I used to be very attached to my gold stack until I started selling gold. And, sometimes you'll be seeing these videos and you'll see some cool gold coins that I have. And then another video, you'll see that the coin is gone. And that's because I actually ended up selling it because one of my viewers ends up making me a decent offer. But some of the coins that are still here that I refuse to give up is the Scrooge McDuck. I've got the Queen's Beast Completer gold coin right here. And I've got, one of the Mexican 50 pesos right here. This is 1.2 something ounces of gold. But the one thing that I did learn is that all of these items are replaceable. You might pay a little bit more down the line, but if you want something bad enough, I think that you can always get it back after you sell it. So anyhow, I digress. I got this gold coin for less than you would pay for a gold eagle. Right now, the prices of a gold eagle is for $1,989 if you're paying by check or wire. A lot of people do end up paying using credit card or PayPal, and that ends up costing you, according to APMEX right now, $2,072. But what I ended up doing was I got this gold coin. In fact, let's get right into it. Check that out, by the way. Awesome gift from John Belay, friend of the channel. Thank you so much, sir. Stormy, Empire Precious Metals, long live the Empire. Very, very cool. I'm going to open this up. I actually don't think I'm going to need the knife. I just kind of wanted to bust that out just because I thought it was cool. Let's just get this open here without banging into everything. I'm pretty sure this is the coin that I bought. There is going to be a packing slip here in which I'll have to open off to the side. It'd be pretty awesome if I opened this up and ended up not being it. Okay, it is. Any guesses as to what I bought? If you guess correctly, pat yourself on the back. I don't have anything to send you, but I ended up getting the John Wick gold coin. Now, I know it's not an actual coin. It's considered a coin in the movies. By the way, I still haven't seen them. I'll get into that in just a moment. But this is actually a round. It's not legal tender. So here you have the obverse. At least I think that's the obverse. And here you have the reverse. I guess it could go either way when it comes to this particular round, but they call it a coin, even though it's not really a coin, but it's a coin in the movies. But just a really cool piece. And the reason I got it, even though I haven't seen the John Wick movies, is because I know it's something that I will watch at some point. I know that it's going to be something that I'm going to enjoy because I have seen plenty of gory video clips of that trilogy, so I most certainly will be watching that movie. And I wanted to get this, number one, because it's just a really cool design. I already have it in silver, but also I know that once I see the movie, and I end up really enjoying it. I'll be disappointed that I didn't get this gold coin. So I got it, knowing that I'm going to want it even more after watching that movie. Now, I say that I bought this for less than what a gold eagle costs, and I'm going to explain why I bought this instead of a gold eagle or a buffalo. Number one, it's 1 ounce of gold, just like a gold eagle, just like a buffalo. This is 1 ounce of gold. Now, even though it's not legal tender, it's still 1 ounce of gold. So that is one reason why it's actually a little bit less expensive, because it is not legal tender. Coins tend to carry a higher premium on them. And the other thing too, again, is because I guess it is a round. So again, it's not, it can almost be considered to be like generic to some degree, even though it isn't. I'm not entirely sure as to the mintage on these. I think it's actually left open. I don't think they have a set limit. Those of you that are familiar with the John Wick gold coin, definitely comment down below to let me know if there is an actual limit to the mintage. But I did want to get this because it was cheaper. At the time that the Gold Eagles were on sale, they were going for around $1,970 on APMEX's site, comparable to that on JM Bullion as well. And so what did I pay for this? I ended up paying $1,933. So I paid about $40 to $50 less than a 1 ounce gold eagle. The other thing too is I made sure to pay using the check and wire feature. I am impatient, so typically in the past I would use PayPal as the form of payment. However, that always adds a higher premium, but I did it because it would take a lot less time to ship and process. However, same thing for check and wire. So I ended up doing the wire. It ended up processing within about a day or two, and then it shipped out to me, and I got it within a couple of days. Very, very fast turnaround. So I recommend what you should do is consider going on APMEX or JM Bullion or Prohibited Metals, any of the online dealers that you like, and maybe if you see some gold pieces that you really like and are either comparable or maybe even less than a gold eagle, set alerts on those websites. That's what I did for this. This has been out of stock for a very long time. I set an alert and I got a notification saying that they were in stock, so I ended up just going on there and just picking one up. But I think this thing is awesome, and I know that if I watch the movie, I'm going to enjoy it even more. I know that I'm going to be happy. And again, I got 1 ounce of gold for about $40 to $50 less than a gold eagle. So I figured, you know what, I'll put this into my gold collection stack, which would be these coins right here. I consider these like my gold collectibles, just because I have one of each and they carry higher premiums, different unique designs or whatever. But anyway, what do you think? Was this a stupid purchase? Have you seen the John Wick movies? Are they good? Am I going to be disappointed that I bought this thing? The way I look at it, again, I paid $1,933. If gold continues to go up, I mean, this is already going for more on APMEX and eBay. But I know that I'll be able to sell it for a profit, so I wasn't really too worried about that. But do you think this was a stupid buy? Or do you think because I spent $40 less than you would for an eagle to get 1 ounce of gold, if that was a good move? Let me know in the comments down below. And I would like to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't already become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, this is Empire Precious Metals. Until next time, long live the Empire.